Hey, hello, Jeff here. Listen, today we're going to work on this vent here, the Mako Shark. It's completely unfinished, so to speak. It was one of the ones that made it at Aurora's factory. It's unfinished. I got the windshield for it, I got the chrome kit, and I've already refurbished the chassis for it over there. What was interesting is I dry fitted the windshield, and the windshield and the body, they don't match up perfectly as far as the angle of the windshield and the windshield or the body in the windshield. I'll show you what I mean here. Let me stop the camera and I'll dry fit it and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, just got the windshield in there, and you see the nubs where it's hooked onto the body. That's flush, but you see the gap there between the windshield and the body? So what I'm going to do is when I glue this thing in place, I'm going to do this to it. Let me push it up here a little bit. There you go. I'm going to glue it, sorry about that, I'm going to glue it in place like that. I know it's not flush with the roof, but I'd rather have the windshield flush with the engine hood. So that's the way I'll glue that in there. Other than that, the front bumper, the back bumper, they look great, they work great. So I'm going to go ahead and glue everything up next. Alright, front and back bumpers in, got the windshield glued in real good. Next we have to tap the screw post. I got some new screws there. We're going to have to tap the screw post. That's always the, how should I put it? This is always the funnest part. Just take your time, guys. Screw it in a little bit, back it out, screw it in, back it out. Just take your time and you'll get it done. There's no rush here. There's the end game is having it done correctly without breaking the screw posts. So let's go ahead and thread them. Alright, it'll only take a few minutes. I got them both threaded in there. Again, take your time, guys. Take your time. I believe I got them far enough. What I want to do now is I want to put the chassis on, back out the screws, put the chassis on and make sure that we got enough threads there before I just call it quits. So I got a guide pin. Yeah, I grabbed a guide pin. I'm gonna set it up. If we have to thread it some more, I'll take the chassis off, but we should be good. We got it. First go around here, guys. The only thing left to do with this bugger is put it on the track. Let's test it. I mean, boy, it looks sharp. It's got everything. The new front bumper, new back bumper, new windshield, everything. You know what? Oops, let me make sure we got enough juice here. There you go. Look at that. Look at that go around the track like that. Love it. Love it. Love it. I'm not going to detail it. I've got this one. I've got a couple of others that I'm just not going to paint them up. I like them the way they are. I know they're unfinished. Guess what? I'm going to keep them unfinished, guys. I like it. Easy project, fun project. I like the way it came out. Guys, I'm going to call it quits. That's it for this one.